Hi, in this short video, I would like to show you how can you get more information uh, in detail about your system's operating system or hardware, or what are the graphics card installed, how much graphic card memory has been installed, or what is the sound card manufacturer, and what are the drivers installed, and what is your RAM capacity, what is your RAM or hard drive capacity, OS, and so on and so on. There are various other ways we can perform this. So let's see them one by one. So one of the very easy way to get the information about your computer is to click the system properties, where everything will be showing here, like Windows edition, what edition do you have, service pack, and the RAM, OS, your processor, and if it is connected to work group or domain here, and then computer name. You can change the computer name also if you want by clicking this. Now another way to get a detailed information about your computer, about your system, is just by typing this msinfo32 here. In this window you have everything in detail. As you can see, the system summary, you have the OS name, version, and manufacturer Microsoft, and system model, virtual platform. Since I'm using a virtual machine, a virtual platform where this operating system is installed, so that's the reason it is taking my virtual platform as a system model and a system manufacturer. And everything is mentioned here. You can see everything is mentioned, how much physical RAM is installed, available RAM, and again this is a virtual machine, so of course it doesn't require a lot of RAM. This OS is installed in this virtual platform just for testing and debugging purposes. So I haven't allocated much RAM to this operating system. So that's another concept. So for now, you can see all your detailed information, and you can see more about hardware resources information, and then IO, IRQ, memory components, software environment, everything. Here, these are all the softwares installed and what are the manufacturers, a description, where they are installed, everything will be, and also you can see the state it's running or stopped. So this is very helpful. And another way to have a quick check for your computer specification is typing Dxdiag and Dxdiag, that is DirectX diagnostic. This is very helpful to know what is your graphics card, what is a graphics card installed here in this display tab. You will be able to see your graphics card, what is the graphics card installed, how much RAM is there in your graphics card, what are this DirectX features. And again, you can see even in this sound tab you will be able to find what is your sound card installed and hardware ID, manufacturer, and so on. Again, in the system, a summary of your computer. This is generally used by the gamers to have a quick check of what is the graphics card installed in the computer or in systems. Now another one, the last one I would like to show you. So again, put run and then type cmd and then again wmic baseboard list full. Again, this will give you the information about your computer or your systems. These are the ways that you can get all your in detail information about your system. Hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.